Hello everybody, welcome back to the Magic Academy. Today we are learning a reputation maker. This is the color changing deck. There's obviously many different versions of it. This one you gotta have in your arsenal. It's great. You're gonna impress everybody. So let's go ahead and dive in. Of course, as always, we'll go over the presentation so you can get a sense of how you might want to perform it. From there, we'll go ahead and explain how it's done. And I hope you guys enjoy. This is a great one. Take the time to learn it. All right, for this card routine, it's best to have two spectators, but one works just fine. You tell them that I'm just gonna go ahead and do the little Hindu shuffle like this, and anytime you can say stop. So of course they can take the 4 or the 8, whatever works best for them. So just let's say they say stop right here. We'll take, say, the 3 of hearts. From there we say, okay, now we're gonna have another card selected. We'll do it in a different way. Why don't we take, say, the Queen of Hearts, for example, and take this card and place it wherever they would like in the center of the deck. From there, you give them the option. They say, okay, well, you can have the 5 of spades, the 5 of diamonds. Which one would you like? Let's say they say the 5 of diamonds. From there, you say, okay, watch, we'll take your card, and we just rub the back. And because those are red cards, you can actually get the backs to change, like so. We'll do that with the 3 of hearts. Once again, just rubbing the back, and just like that, both of their selections have turned red. You can say if we cut the cards, look, we just have to rub the back of another card. And you actually get card number 3 to change. You see, actually you can take it a step further, just riffle the back, and you can actually get every single card to now turn red. Truly beautiful thing. And last but not least, don't forget the queen. If you just rub the back just like so, there you go, the Queen of Hearts. All cards red. Lovely. Great trick, right? Let's get into the explanation. First things first is just having one blue back card, the Queen of Hearts for this example, and then having the other Queen of Hearts placed in a certain area of the deck. So what does it look like? You have the Queen of Hearts on the top, and then what I like to do is have the red queen about 4 or 5 cards from the top of the deck face down. And so at the beginning of the routine, when I'm showing the Hindu shuffle, I am grabbing all the cards above the blue Queen of Hearts to demonstrate what the Hindu shuffle looks like. So as I'm doing that, I'm now bringing the Queen of Hearts closer and closer to the top of the deck. And so when I get to about 10 cards, 7 to 10 cards, that's when I place those cards on top. So now you have the Queen of Hearts, the face down Queen of Hearts near the top of the deck, the face up top, and you've maintained the blue Queen of Hearts on the top of the face down deck. And then from there, you go into the Hindu shuffle where they can have any card selected, and you have to grab the chunk that has the Queen of Hearts. So once again, that is just grabbing anywhere from 7 to 10 cards, like so, and then having them say stop at any time. And as you're doing that, you can show the back of the cards that they are in fact blue. And so it's just a nice subtlety as you're doing that. So you can say, of course, you can stop on the 9 of spades, you can have the Ace of Hearts, whatever you like. And as you continue to do that, they'll say stop eventually. They can take, say, the 8 or the king. Let's say they take the king. Be careful not to flash the red card. So you can just push that down like so. And you can continue to shuffle off more, saying you could have a queen, a 4, etc. And just get that Queen of Hearts somewhere near the top. From there, you're going to say, okay, we'll go ahead and pull out a card, and that's the blue queen. And you'll have the spectator take that card and place it wherever they like in the deck. They now have the option to pick the 4 of clubs or the 10 of hearts. Let's say they choose the 10 of hearts. From there, you can go into the magic where you take their card and they rub it on the back of that Queen of Hearts to show that magically their card has changed colors. And you can do that for the next spectator's card, once again, rubbing the back of that card to reveal the beautiful change. And if that wasn't enough, now you can go into this beautiful ending where you cut the cards. And so what you're doing is cutting the blue card and the card on top to the bottom of the deck, like so. So now you have these cards at the bottom, and you can now rub the top of the deck to reveal another card has changed. Not just that card, but now every single card is magically changed. And of course, you don't want to go all the way to the bottom to reveal that face-up Queen of Hearts. You can pretty much spread the entire deck, which is a beautiful display. As you do that, you can take the Queen of Hearts to show, and finally, last but not least, the last card to change, the Queen of Hearts. So I hope you enjoyed that card trick. It gets great reactions. It takes a little bit of practice, but you'll get it down and you'll get awesome reactions. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. We appreciate the support here. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.